Good morning, everybody. Welcome to this indie game development series where I am developing my game Oh My Zombie, the game where you are the zombie. My name is Toby Preacher and I want to give you a quick update on what I'm doing here. It's gonna be a short video today. I'm currently working on an inventory system and I just want to hit play it. You can see my progress here. I got a UI inventory right here. It's not designed very much. It's pretty rough at the moment and I will redesign this whole thing later, but you can see I got 3 items in there, and the goal is that I can pick up those skulls and bones we made in the previous video on this destructible enemy remains. And also we got toilet paper, very important in these times, some people say. Well, I don't agree that much, but anyways, this is what I'm working on. Why am I not recording my whole programming on this? Because I'm following along with a awesome tutorial made by CodeMonkey, link in the description. I also linked his channel on mine as recommended channel because he's doing a very good job on doing scripting tutorials in a very structured and clean way. So I definitely recommend that to you. And I will show you tomorrow how far I got with this UI inventory system. And when this is finished, we will be able to pick up those bones and skulls and everything. And on top, I want to build a crafting system for this game, so you can craft several items like traps out of the stuff you picked up. So that's pretty much for it for today. I thank you very much for turning in, for watching. If you want, hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, so you don't miss any video. Also hit the bell notification. And I see you in the next one. Have a nice day, stay healthy, stay safe, and most importantly, stay awesome. Bye guys.